Hi guys, good morning. It's your girl Yammi, and today is just a little bit of a day vlog. My Warehouse Wednesday video that came out, I had a couple of people let me know that it was out of focus. The GX7, the Canon GX7 is what I use, Mark III. It has a problem with the focusing, but I also have a problem with the focusing. My eyes, because I have glaucoma and retinopathy, I have a hard time seeing. To me right now, I look blurry. Ooh. I take my glasses off. I can see that I'm not as blurry, but I can't see anything else. So, I do have these other glasses, but only problem with these glasses, they work wonderful on the computer. In here, I can see the screen beautifully. I really can. But if I look out, I can't see anything else. Everything else is blurry, but I can see this. So, you know, I'm going to do the best I can to get you the best picture quality that I can. I just did an update on the camera, so I'm hoping that update helps it. Excuse me. I got the burpees this morning. So I will do my best to keep the camera still longer, not move it so fast, and that way everything doesn't get blurry to you. So I love your comments. I like, you know, if there's something you don't like, if I do go too fast, let me know. When I edit the video, a lot of times it's blurry, but then it comes in, and I try to keep that video because I don't want to delete too much footage. And so I've been trying to leave things in so you guys can see everything. Oh. Alright, so I did some deliveries today. Now I'm home. Really nothing much going on. Today is National Detroit Pizza Day. So, Detroit style pizza, I think. Something like that. Anyways, so we're getting pizza tonight for dinner. We're going to go through Jets Pizza. They're located in Lakeland. Boo. Sorry, my necklace gets twisted and it bugs the crap out of me. Boo will pick the pizza up on the way home, so I got to place the order here soon so he can pick it up. And it'll be nice, hot, and ready. Oh, yummy. And I'm going to get extra cheese on it. Why not, right? Extra cheese is good. But really nothing else going on today. I got to edit a video to get that out to you guys today. So I'm just going to be working and doing that. Alright, it's a hot mess day. I didn't really do much. We had pizza, woohoo, and that was so good. But now I'm in the kitchen because I've got this coconut. You remember when I cracked open that coconut and I needed to do something with it? Well, I don't want this coconut to go to waste, and it's fresh. So I am going to make, what's it called? Oh, lost it here. It is a coconut bar. That's what I'll just call it. A chewy coconut bar. So that's what I'm making, and I figure I'll make you guys, let you guys join me. We have so much fun when we're cooking, don't we? So let me finish getting everything together and be right back. Alright, so I got a couple steps ahead. I put 2 cups of sugar, a teaspoon of salt. I need to put a tablespoon of vanilla and 3 eggs in here. But in here, I have 1 1/4 sticks of butter and 1/4 of a bag of marshmallows. So about 2.5 ounces of marshmallows. So I have that in here now, and that is just slowly melting. And while that's melting, I'm going to get the eggs mixed in, and I need 3 eggs mixed in with them and get it mixed up. egg mixture. I just got the marshmallow mixture all melted in there. And I'm going to pour it slowly because I don't want to cook the eggs that are in there. Alright, now we're going to add the coconut, which is 1 1/4 cup, which is about as much of a coconut as I made up. So, we just throw it all in there. And we'll mix that up. And the only thing left is this flour. Once this is all mixed up, that's when we're going to throw it in the 13 by 9 baking dish, which I'm using a metal one, lined with parchment paper. Like it's all mixed up. Alright. Alright. Since I lined this with parchment paper, I'm going to pour this slowly in there. We'll just spread this in here. Alright, we're going to bake this at 325 for 25-30 minutes. Alright, is it what it said? 20 to 25 minutes. So, that means we put the timer on for 20 minutes. Remember, always go the lowest time. So, it's 20 to 25, so we're just going to go 20 minutes. Turn the light on and see you in 20 minutes. Well, good morning. It's the next day, and it was late by the time this came out of the oven, and it didn't do good. I think the problem was the fresh coconut. They wanted unsweetened coconut flakes. I use real coconut. I don't know, maybe I should have dried it out first, but it definitely did not work. It didn't work. So that's a fail on Tammy's half again. Or Yammy's half, you know, Yammy's behalf. I don't know. I keep trying. I'm not going to give up. I won't be trying this again, though. So, alright, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. We're going someplace today, and I'll be filming. So, we're going to go have fun. And I will catch you guys later, alright? Thank you for being here, and I love you all. Bye.